Today, we're going to be talking about the triangle. Now, the definition of a triangle is that it is a plane figure with three straight sides and three angles. When we talk about a triangle, we can classify it two different ways. We can classify a triangle by its sides, or we can classify a triangle by its angles. When you classify a triangle by its sides, you can refer to it as equilateral, isosceles, or scalene. An equilateral triangle is a triangle with three congruent sides, meaning each side is the same length. An isosceles triangle has exactly two congruent sides. And finally, a scalene triangle has no congruent sides. In the triangle in the corner ABC, if segment AB was congruent to BC, we would draw two dash marks showing that congruency, meaning that triangle ABC was isosceles with exactly two congruent sides. If we said that all three sides were congruent, we would call that an equilateral triangle. When you refer to or classify a triangle by its angles, the triangle can either be acute, obtuse, or right. An acute triangle is a triangle with three acute angles, meaning each angle of the triangle measures less than 90 degrees. An obtuse triangle is a triangle with exactly one obtuse angle. And a right triangle is a triangle with exactly one right angle. And we'll go into a little bit more detail as to why it has to be exact in a moment. In addition to knowing how to classify triangles, there are two facts about triangles that you need to understand. The first is the triangle inequality, which states that the sum of the lengths of any two sides of a triangle must be greater than the length of the third side. In this right triangle, the triangle inequality holds up. You can see that if you add any two of the sides together, the sum will be greater than the length of the other side. Here we have all of the sums listed. 5 plus 12 is greater than 13. 5 plus 13 is greater than 12. And 12 plus 13 is greater than 5. Finally, we need to understand something about the triangle angle measures, and that is that the interior angles of a triangle will always add up to 180 degrees. What that means is that angle R plus angle S plus angle T will always add up to 180 degrees, regardless of the shape or the look of the triangle.